Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Steamboat Willie. So first let's get started by drawing in our nose. So coming over to the top right hand side, we're going to start by drawing a small oval, and we're going to come thinner at the base and wider as we come up towards the top, and then again curving that back around and up. On top of this now, we're going to arch this line around and in. Let's move further up. Over on a diagonal now, for the top of the mouth, we're going to draw a small arch line from left to right. And then now from here, we're going to connect this to the nose. So starting in the center, we're going to arch this line all the way around, bringing that up underneath our nose. Moving in towards the corner again for the bottom of our mouth now, we're going to curve this around and then up. For the tongue, we're going to draw a curved line from left to right, bringing that up. Coming further down for the chin, we're going to step across, and towards the left, we're going to curve this around and then back up. Let's draw on the rest of the head now. So coming further over on the top of our nose, we're going to start by curving this line all the way around and then back in towards the chin. On the right hand side, we're going to draw in a small oval, connecting this from the side, arching this around and then down. And then as we step across on the left hand side, we're going to draw in a small oval. For the rest of the face now, starting on the left hand side, we're going to arch this line up and then in. And then starting in the middle again, we're going to curve that around and then down towards the middle of our eyes. Starting in the center, we're going to curve that up and out. Now let's draw in our left ear. So we're going to start by drawing a nice big circle, connecting that from the top and then bringing that all the way around and in towards the bottom. Let's draw in our hat in the center now. So in the middle, we're going to arch this line out and then down. Let's move up. We're going to draw a nice big diagonal line, bringing that up towards the top. From here now, we're going to draw a curved line, arching that around and then down. And then we're going to bring another diagonal line that comes in towards our top left ear. For the top of the hat now, coming further down on the left, we're going to arch this line around and then down. And then coming up above that now, we're going to arch that line around and then in. Moving further down, we're going to curve this line up. And then starting in the corner, we're going to curve that back out towards the side. Drawing in our right ear now, we're going to start in the middle, curving this around and then back in, creating a nice big half circle. Let's move down and draw in the body now. So coming down on a diagonal, we're going to draw a small diagonal line for the torso. Stepping further down on the left-hand side, we'll replicate that. Now from here, we're going to connect this with a curved line from left to right. Moving down on a diagonal, on the right-hand side, we're going to draw in a nice big circle for the button. And then moving down on a diagonal on the left, we'll replicate that. Let's draw in our shorts now. So on the top, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then we're going to leave a small gap and curve another line that arches out. We'll draw a curved diagonal line for our left leg, and then moving up on a diagonal, we're going to draw a nice big curved line, arching that up, and then we'll draw another curved diagonal line, bringing that in. And then now from here, we're just going to connect this with a curved line, bringing that up towards the corner. On the right hand side above this line, we're going to draw a small diagonal line, and then moving down in towards the middle, we'll replicate that. From here, we're going to draw a curved line from left to right. Now let's draw on our left arm. So in this corner here, we're going to bring a diagonal line that comes down, and then we'll bring this line straight across. Coming in towards the chin, we're going to bring another diagonal line that curves slightly, and then we'll bring this line straight across again. Now from here, we're going to draw on our left leg. So we're going to curve this line out on a diagonal, and then we'll do the same thing as we move down. On the top, we're going to curve this line around and then in, and then we'll do the same thing on the bottom. For our foot now, moving across on a diagonal, we're going to curve this line up and then across. And then as we move down, we're going to curve that out and then across. Moving further up, we're going to draw a nice big letter U. And then we're going to draw a straight line from left to right. Now we're going to draw another letter U just upside down, curving this all the way up and then bringing that back down on the right. From here on the top, we're going to draw a nice big curved line, connecting that towards our leg. Now let's draw our right leg. So coming in, we're going to draw a small curved line that arches out. Stepping across, we'll replicate that. And then from here, we're going to connect this with a curved line from left to right. Stepping up now, we're going to draw a curved line, arching that around and then in. To the right of this, we're going to arch that up and then in. And then coming over towards the left, we're going to curve that out and then all the way across, connecting that in the corner. On the bottom, we're going to draw in a small rectangle. And then on the right-hand side, we're going to bring this line out and then up. Lastly, for the tail now, in the center, we're going to curve this line all the way across towards our left foot. And then we're going to continue this underneath our left foot, curving this around and then back in. And that is it. That's how you draw Steamboat Willie. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.